Today I'm cooking caramelized onion omelette. The subtle taste of the eggs goes very well with the sweet, complex flavor of onions. It can be enjoyed as is with rice or paired with some curries. This recipe is for 3 to 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 5 eggs, 125 grams of red onion sliced, half teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of cooking oil, and 1/8 teaspoon of pepper. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. First, break the eggs. I am separating each egg into a small bowl first to ensure no bad eggs will contaminate the rest. This is optional. All done. All 5 eggs are good. Next, add the seasoning, pepper, and 2/3 of the salt. Whisk all the eggs until they are well combined with the seasoning. Alright, it is done. Let's cook it. Switch on the heat to medium. Pour all the cooking oil into the non-stick pan and wait for it to get hot. This takes about 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 minute, spread the cooking oil generously around the pan with the spatula. Then, spread all the onion in the pan. Stir continuously for about 1 minute or until the onions are soft. After 1 minute, add in the balance of the salt. Continue to stir and mix for another 2 more minutes or until the onions are very soft, translucent, and very fragrant. After 2.5 minutes, the onions have browned nicely around the edges and it is very fragrant now. Switch off the heat. Remove all the caramelized onion from the pan and set them aside. There is a lot of onion oil now, so I am pouring out the excess into the small bowl. With the remnant of the brown onions and oil in the pan, switch on the heat. Pour 1.5 ladle of whisked egg into the pan. Set the rest aside. Run the edges of the omelette with the spatula, tucking in the extra into the omelette. Then, tilt the pan to remove the whisked egg over the edges of the omelette. As the edges cook, tuck in the omelette again. This thickens the side and take around 45 seconds. While the center of the omelette is still wet, spread 1/3 of the brown onions around the top, like this. Let's cook it until the top is slightly drier, about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, the edges of the omelets are well cooked and the top is just slightly moist. With the white spatula, carefully flip the omelette. Oops, it splattered a lot, but that is okay. Tuck in the extra to the edges of the omelette again and let it cook for about 45 seconds. This will allow the onions to get direct heat from the bottom of the pan and continue to caramelize further while the egg is cooking. After 45 seconds, check the bottom of the omelette. Yes, it's getting nice and brown. Switch off the heat. Let me flip it and show you. See? Beautiful caramelized onion on the top of golden brown omelette. The smell is super lovely. Remove from the pan and set aside. Clean the pan of any remaining omelettes or onion bits with the spatula. Switch on the heat. Put 1 tablespoon of onion oil. Spread it around generously. Pour in another ladle and a half of the eggs. And repeat the step to cook the second and the third portion of the omelette. Alright, the third portion of the omelette is cooked. Switch off the heat, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Arrange all 3 mini omelettes on the serving plate and serve it immediately. Let's eat! Wow, it's good. The onions are sweet and have a lovely flavor. The egg is fluffy and very fragrant. This is so good on its own. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!